Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS is getting so hot that it burns to touch, you're not alone. This overheating issue often stems from dust accumulation in the vents or a failing cooling system. If left unaddressed, it could lead to serious damage to your hardware, potentially resulting in data loss or a complete device failure. To tackle this problem effectively, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure you power off your device and unplug it from the mains. Place it on a soft surface, preferably a clean cloth to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel. Be careful to keep them in a safe place. Gently pry open the back cover, starting from the edges. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you might have missed. Once you've opened the device, locate the cooling system, which includes the fans and heat sink. The fans are typically situated near the vents. Dust accumulation can hinder their performance, so carefully use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. If you notice that the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU looks dry or cracked, it's time for a replacement. Gently remove the heatsink by unscrewing it and disconnecting any cables that may be attached. Clean the old thermal paste from the CPU and GPU using a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste onto the CPU and GPU, spreading it evenly. Reattach the heatsink, ensuring it is secure. Remember to reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. Now, carefully replace the back cover, making sure to align it properly. Secure the screws back into their respective holes, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. Finally, power on your Dell XPS to check if the overheating issue has been resolved. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, make it a habit to clean the vents and fans regularly, ideally every few months, and ensure your device is always used on a hard surface to promote airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.